Hi guys, we're just going to take a deck off this tractor, rideon mower. Can sharpen the blades and check the pulleys and check the belt as well while we're there. It's basically a service, so we'll take the deck off, take the blades off, sharpen the blades, assemble it all back on. It's just a matter of pulling pins. I've only got 4 pins that hold my deck on, so this is quick for me to undo the pins, drop the deck off, and that's it done. They're all just R pins like that, so all you've got to do is just pull them, make sure you see which way it goes back on. There's usually a washer on it as well, so it's an R pin with a washer. The washer on the pin and then an R pin on it. Pull the R pin, take the washer off, sit it there, you know that's where it came from. It's onto this pin here. I'll take off and you'll see it in a minute. It's on here, so that just basically holds the R pin through here. So that's the first one off.
And how many of them are there?
2, there's one on the other side. And there's one at the top here. I've got 4 on mine. But it helps just to take the weight off it sometimes. Pull a pin. I'll pull that one off first. That's the second one off now.
Okay.
This is just the engagement off the clutch pedal or brake pedal. That's it, basically pull the 4 pins, slide it out, job done. That's it guys, off. That's how easy it is to take your deck off. We're just going to go off to the workshop with this now. Just give it a check over, sharpen the blades. I'll show you how to sharpen the blades when we're in there.
Before John sharpens the blades, I mean, he's got to take them off, but look at the amount of guff that is stuck in here.
Clean my blades and clean the deck. So you just clamp a J-clamp on. I've just put a piece of wood in to take the distance up, just to block the blade. So it'll stop the blade coming round. So the blade will come, hit the J-clamp, then we can undo the blade. And we just do the reverse for putting it back on. Tooth these as well, so they can only go the one way. So there we go, this is, put the G-clamp on, take the blades off. This is the profile which they should look like. And this is the profile of number 2 blade, which obviously hit something.
Okay.
And this one is okay on this side, and this one's damaged on this side. So they've hit something on both ends.
So that means...
So I could be clever and weld a new piece onto it and profile it the same profile. Or I could just stop where I am and go put new blades on.
Right, how much?
So these new blades are about £20 each.
So that's about
It's
40
about
euros
40
then,
euros or something to put new blades on.
or you can just weld a bit on
Or
as
I
a
can weld a
stopgap.
bit on, and the thing with doing that is, if I weld a bit on, you've got to balance the blade, so it's not only just putting a bit on each blade, it's making sure that the blades are balanced, otherwise they'll cause an imbalance. I mean, this is running just now, there must have been an imbalance on the bearings, so I would consider now putting new blades on this now.
Hello everybody, I just want to ask if you're enjoying this video, and if you wouldn't mind just clicking the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, then all you have to do is hit subscribe. The reason why I ask is we're trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers so that we can monetize the channel, which will allow us to have more time to make videos that you want. Thanks very much.
It's John here again, back at my rideon. Got new blades arrived today. Quite a quick order, a couple of days with a holiday Monday as well, so we're good. Ordered on Friday, they're here this morning. Just make sure you relocate them back on where they should be, back on the splines. Do it. Put your nuts and washers back in. Make sure you put them on the right way as well, like the cutting edge facing down the way, or whatever your lawnmower recommends. I just clamp mine as usual to tighten them.
Can I ask a question?
Yes, you can.
Right, so those blades, because they're new, are very close to each other where they meet.
Yeah, they won't touch.
How do you know that?
Because they're the blades for the machine.
Okay.
They'll just be missing each other. Just do check that they are rotating free all the way right round before you do tighten them up, in case you have a calamity. But take your clamp in. That'll just stop the blades from rotating. And I can just tighten it up now. I just use a D-clamp, a piece of wood. We've got one on already. This is just the second one. And yes, do tighten it up. You might have a torque setting in your blades. If not, just make sure you do it nice and tight. A blade spinning off. That's basically me. And now we'll just check that I've got free rotation of both blades. They're not going to hit in the middle, and we're good to go. That's it. I'll get the deck back on this now. I'll give it a clean down now. And I normally coat mine with a bit of diesel and a brush. And that'll just keep it clean.
The inside of the deck?
Yeah, inside the deck. Little clean down, little paint with a bit of diesel. And that's you. The grass will just fall right off it.
I just want to show you the difference these new blades made. So you can see from the grass that where the mower's been, there's no tall bits that it's missed, there's no gaps between the mower blades. The mower itself is a lot quieter. So we don't cut our grass really short because we get drought in the summer, but I'm really quite impressed with the new blades. Worth the money, and well done, John.